Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Airbnb application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So this site will give you thousands of places where you can stay during your holiday. So the basic concept is that there are hosts who provide different places that you can rent during your holiday for a relatively better price than if you would go to a hotel, and this way you can budget a lot while still enjoying a comfortable and nice place to stay. So in the explore section you can choose where you want to go, with who and when, and you can just find thousands of beautiful, amazing places. And if you like any of it, then just click on the heart button to save it, and that will be the wish list part, where you will find all the places that you saved for later, and you can always come back to them and reserve them. At the trips section, you will find your upcoming trips if you have any, and at the inbox section, you can find the notifications and the messages with the host if you have any reservation coming. And lastly, at the profile section, you will find all your personal information, anything that you need to know on payments, and just information that is crucial to be found about you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.